how to search and attach an animated GIFs image in text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then you can compose a new text message or continue with your text conversation. In here, tap on the text box. Then tap on the add button. From here, tap on GIFs. And then in the search text box, type in what you want to look for. So for example, I'm going to look for an apple. So I type in apple and then tap on search. And here you can scroll down and select an image that you want to use. Now once you tap on an image, it will get inserted into your text box at the top. Now I can scroll back up and you can see those are the animated GIF image that has been added. If for some reason you want to remove one of them, you can tap on the remove button and that will remove an image from the text box. And then you can tap on the send button to send the animated GIF image. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.